Welcome student. Today we study the blood group. Aim of today's practical is determination of blood group. For that, requirements are anti-sera A, anti-sera B, anti-sera D, cavity slide, mixing stick, blood lancet, spirit or the alcohol. Lancet or the needle. Next one is the cotton, ethanol. These are the anti-sera A, anti-sera B and anti-sera D. Blood and its components. Liquid fluid consisting of the following components. First one is the cells, which they contains the 45%, plasma 55%, serum is equal to plasma minus fibrinogen. Next one is the antigen antibody. Antigen, which is the foreign substance that triggers the production of the antibody, and antibodies, the substance produced in response to the antigen. Agglutination, it means the reaction between the antigen and the antibody, and the clumping of red blood cells occur in some cases and in some cases do not. Introduction to blood group system. 35 blood group systems are recognized. Most important, ABO blood group system and the RH system. Classification is based on inherited antigenic substances. ABO blood group system. The most important and well studied blood group system discovered by Karl and Steiner in 1901. ABO blood type: blood group A, blood group B, blood group AB and the blood group O. These are the four blood type: A, B, AB and the O. ABO blood type, in that determination by the ABO gene located on chromosome number 9. These determine four types of blood groups. If A antigen is present, blood group will be A. If B antigen is present, then blood group will be B. If both the A and the B antigens are present, then blood group will be AB. If neither A or neither B antigen is present, then the blood group will be O. See in the diagram, there is the presence of the antigen A, it is a blood group A. In the presence of antigen B is the blood group B. In that presence of antigen A and the B, which is the blood group AB, and in the O there is neither A nor B antigen is present. Antibodies against ABO antigens. The immune system form antibodies against the whichever ABO blood group antigens are present. For example, a person with blood group A will have B antibodies and so as others. Antigen versus antibodies. Now, first one is the group A. This group A, in that these are the erythrocytes. Next one is the antibodies are anti-B and antigens are antigen A. Blood group B contains the antibodies A and the antigen B. Blood group AB contains the antibodies is none and the antigens are A and the B. In blood group O, they contains the antibodies anti-A and anti-B and the antigens are none or the absent. Importance of ABO blood group system. The most important test because the antibodies of ABO system present in every person. Incompatible blood transfer cause the intravascular hemolysis of RBCs leading to the death. Change in phenotypic expression of ABO gene. Bombay phenotype. The individuals possesses neither A nor B antigens on their surface. The phenotypic expression is like O blood group type. Universal donor versus the universal acceptor. Universal donor. This universal donor, it means they can donate their blood to anyone. Have O negative blood group. This O negative which donate the blood group to the A, B and the AB. Next one is the universal acceptor. Can accept the blood from anyone. They have the AB positive blood group. This AB positive blood group they can accept from anyone. Now see in the diagram, this AB donate to the B and A donate both the A donate A and AB, B donate the B and AB donate only the AB. RH blood group system. This system also discovered by the Karl Landsteiner 1940. Second important blood group system. The main cause of hemolytic disease of newborn, which is the HDN. RH blood group. They consist of 49 antigens. Most significant are D, C, E, C and E. Commonly used term RH factor refer to the D antigen on RBC surface. Type of RH blood group system. RH positive possesses RH antigen on the surface of the RBCs. RH positive, it means they possess the RH antigen presence on the surface of the RBCs. RH negative, it means the lack of the RH antigen on the surface of the RBCs. Now see, in that the diagram, there is the presence of the RH antigen on the surface of the RBCs. It means the RH positive. Next one is there is the lack or presence absent of the RH antigen on the surface of the RBCs. It means the RH negative. ABO blood group and RH factor determination by kit test. It is the method can be used for the blood group detection. Principle are the ABO and the RH blood grouping system is based on agglutination reaction. It is the reaction between antigens present on red blood cells and the antibodies present in the serum. These are the reaction. In that the reaction, there is the antigen present on the red blood cells and the antibody is present in the serum. Now the next one is the procedure. Take a clean glass slide and draw 3 circles on it. Unpack the monoclonal antibodies kit. In the first circle, add anti-A. To the second circle, add anti-B. And the third circle, add the anti-D with the help of a dropper. Keep the slide aside safely without disturbing. Now wipe the ring finger with the alcohol swab and rub gently near the fingertip where the blood sample will be collected. Prick the ring finger tip with the lancet and weep off the first drop of the blood. As blood starts oozing out, allow it to fall on the 3 circle of the glass slide by gently pressing the fingertip. Apply pressure on the site where it was pricked and to stop blood flow, use the cotton ball if required. Mix the blood sample gently with the help of the toothpick or the glass slide and wait for a minute to observe the result. Determination of blood group on the basis of the agglutination. Now it means the slide A1 that contains the anti-A present, anti-B absent and the anti-D present. It gives the blood group A positive. Second one is the slide 2. In that anti-A absent, anti-B present and the anti-D present gives the B positive. Third one is the presence of the anti-A, anti-B and the anti-D. It indicates the AB positive. Slide 4. In that absence of the anti-A, anti-B and presence of anti-D, it indicates the O positive. This anti-D or the RHD indicates the positive or the negative. Now see in the diagram. In that case, these are the presence of agglutination in the A and the D. It indicates the presence of the A. Next one is the agglutination in the B and the D. It means the B. Agglutination in the A, B and the D. It means the AB. And agglutination in the O indicates the agglutination in the D indicates the O. Now see, in that the anti-A there is the clumping, anti-B no clumping, anti-RH there is the clumping. The blood group is A positive. In second slide, no clumping in anti-A, clumping in anti-B and the anti-D or the RH indicates the blood group B positive. Now clumping in both anti-A, anti-B and the anti-RH or the anti-D indicates the blood group AB positive. Now there is fourth number slide. There is the no clumping in both the anti-A, anti-B and the anti-RH. It indicates the O negative. It means the no clumping in the anti-RH. It indicates the negative. Now see, O positive. It means there is the clumping in only in the anti-D and clumping or the agglutination is absent in the anti-A and the anti-B. Now next one is the O negative. In that the O negative agglutination or the clumping is absent in anti-A, anti-B and the anti-D. A positive, in that clumping is anti-A and the anti-D and absent in the anti-B. A negative, it means clumping in only in the anti-A and absent in the anti-B and the anti-D. Next one is the B positive, in that clumping in anti-B, anti-D and absent in the anti-A. B negative, in that the clumping only in the anti-B and absent in anti-A and the anti-D. AB positive, it means the clumping in both anti-A, anti-B and the anti-D. AB negative, it means the clumping in anti-A, anti-B and absent in the anti-D. Invalid, it means the shows the clumping in all anti-A, anti-B and the anti-D. Interpretations. Agglutination, observe when blood is mixed with anti-A reagent, then blood group is A. Agglutination, observe when blood is mixed with anti-B reagent, then blood group is B. Agglutination, observe when anti-A and anti-B reagent, then blood group is AB. If no agglutination is observed, then blood group is O. If agglutination is observed when blood is mixed with the anti-RHD reagent, then the individual is said to have positive RH factor. If no agglutination is observed when blood is mixed with anti-RHD reagent, then the individual is said to have negative RH factor. Type A blood of donor, these are the antibody B. Agglutinin of type A recipient and the no agglutination. Type B blood of donor, anti-B agglutinating of type A recipient, agglutination, and there is the hemolysis.
Requirements are slide, lancet or the needle, antisera, cotton and the alcohol. 1 drop in A, 1 drop in B and the 1 drop in the C. Add the 1 drop of anti-A. Now in B, you have to add anti-B and in C, add anti-D. Mix it properly. For 2 minutes. Now see the result. In the A, there is the no clumps. In B, there is presence of the clumps. And C, again there is presence of the clumps. It indicates the present blood group is B positive.
Observation is, there is the agglutination in B, agglutination in D and agglutination absent in A. It means it indicates that there is the presence of the blood group B positive, in that the agglutination in B and the agglutination in D. Result, the blood group is B positive. Next is question bank, in that the MCQs. How many types of blood group are present? Answer is D, 4. Explanation, there are the 4 types of blood group present. They are A, B, O and AB type. Next is, which of the following blood group is considered a universal donor? Option A is A, B, B, C is AB, D is O, and the answer is the D, O. Blood group O is considered as a universal donor. The Rh negative blood group is given to Rh negative patient, and the Rh positive blood group or the Rh negative blood group are given to Rh positive patient. O negative is considered as a universal donor. Next question. The antigen for ABO and Rh blood group are present on, first one is plasma, option second white blood cells, third red blood cells, and fourth one is the platelet, and answer is C, red blood cells, because these red blood cells are the most common type of blood cells and principal means of delivering oxygen. The antigen for blood group are present on RBCs. Fourth question is, which of the following blood group is referred as a universal recipient? Option A is A, B is B, option C is AB, and D is O. And answer is C, because the blood group AB is referred as a universal recipient. They can receive donated blood of any ABO blood group. Fifth one, what are the two blood tests? First one is Rh and ABB. Second one is ABO and Rh. Third one, ABO and RN. And fourth one, ABC and Rh. And answer is B, which is a ABO and Rh. The two blood tests are ABO and the Rh type. The ABO test determine the blood group and the Rh test determine if it is positive or negative. Sixth one question. What is the process of transfer of human blood known as? First one is the transfusion. Second one is processing. Third one is transporting. And fourth one is transferring. And answer is A, transfusion. The blood transfusion is the process of receiving blood or blood product into one's circulation intravenously. It is used in various medical conditions to replace the lost component of blood. Seventh question. Which is the rarest blood group? First one is AB negative. Second one is AB positive. Third one is O negative. And fourth one is O negative. And the answer is A, AB negative. This AB negative is the rarest blood group. It is seen only in 1% of the US population. Next question. Who discovers the blood group? Option A, Thomas Cooley. Option B, Karl Landsteiner. Option C, Camillo Golgi. And option D, Ernest Hacker. And the answer is B, Karl Landsteiner. He has discovered ABO blood group system. He is an Austrian scientist. Next one. If the blood group of an individual is A, then the antibody present is, option A is anti-B antibodies, option B anti-A antibodies, option C anti-O antibodies, option D anti-OA antibodies. And the answer is A, anti-B antibodies. If the blood group of individual is A, then the antibody present is anti-B antibodies, and it is present on the RBCs. Next question. Which blood type can be transfused to the individual whose blood type is unknown? Option A is AB positive. Option B is AB negative. Option C is O positive. And option D is O negative. And the answer is D, O negative, because this O negative blood type is universal donor. Only 6.6% of population has O negative blood group. Next one is short answer question. First one is, which is the rarest blood group? Answer is AB negative is the rarest of the 8 main blood group types. Just 1% of our donors have it. Second one, what is a blood group test? Answer is, a blood group test is a simple test used to determine the blood group of an individual. It is also called as the ABO typing. Third question, how many types of blood groups are there? How many types of blood groups are there? Answer is, there are 4 major types of blood group and are called the ABO blood group system. The types of blood groups are blood group A, blood group B, blood group AB and the blood group O. Next question, what determines the blood group type? Answer is, the presence of antigen on the surface of the blood cell and the antibodies in the blood plasma can determine the blood group or type of an individual. Moreover, these blood group types or groups are inherited from our parents. Each parent possesses one allele for blood type to their child. Therefore, a child could have the same blood type as one of their parents. Next question. What is the rarest blood type? Answer is, as per the record, AB negative is considered to be the rarest blood group type. It is difficult to say which blood type is the rarest in the world, and it depends on the frequency in requirement of certain blood types, which varies widely in different parts of the world. Next question. Why is it important to know blood type? Answer is, the ABO blood type are important as they are essential during the blood transfusion and to avoid the further complications. Next one is true or false. First one is, Mike has type O plus blood. Mike is a universal recipient. A true and B false. The answer is false. AB is the universal recipient and O negative is the universal donor. Next is, someone with type A blood can receive blood from someone who is type AB. Option A is true and option B is false, and the answer is false. This type A blood can receive only the type A O, not from AB. Someone who is B positive has A and Rh antibodies. Option A is true and the option B is false, and the answer is true. Yeah, the B positive blood group has the A and the Rh antibodies. Up to that, we have totally covered the blood group, how to determine the blood group. Thank you.